Just come up on the top here by the vineyard at the camping place that we stayed last night, and just to capture the mood a little bit. And yeah, it's lovely. Such a nice place. I'm going down to get my bread in a minute because we ordered bread, and but I just sort of came up here and you can hear these like chickens squawking in the background. So it's pretty nice this morning. There's all the campers all the way down through here. Pretty steep down through there. Come up this little path, get the shots this morning from Slovenian church towers. There's one just here in the village, 2, 3, it's lovely. So I didn't actually go in the reception last night, so we'll go in the reception and I'll show you what it's like in there. Just come in the reception, get my bread, and the first thing you're greeted with is their wine cooler this side. Ice creams, all the little lovely wine bottles here, and that's lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Got my bread, all the history photos on the wall. And then you just come around this side, there's all the reception for the camping. So basically they got wine, all the bits and pieces. They got their awards, look, they got medals, marmalade, jam, syrup. I love it. I'm loving, actually, I spotted this yesterday. Look at these glasses in here, wine glasses, and the corks. I just wanted to show you guys this amazing gramophone. This Masters for which HMV, a gramophone company. It's a real gem of a thing. The thing I spotted was this beautiful weighing scales. This weighing scales in the corner. Wood in here, the corks. It's an old school map of Croatia. And another one coming up round Trieste, Istria. It's a little bit dark, but they've got a lovely wine tasting, restaurant-y place. She's got a little Pekingese dog, sort of Pekingese dog out there, just lying around on the under the vines, the outside breakfast area. There we go. Last night all these guys came in, they look like they're from the Czech Republic, and they're doing a bit of paragliding, so you can see all their equipment out. And this guy was just hanging his seat up in the chair from the rafter, and there's the one of the packs they use. So you just go flying with that. Get that on your back and go flying. Mental. All the guys with their equipment out, they just came in last night and just all like woof, and they're all having their like breakfast up in a in a box up here, and yeah, it's like they're all up for a good gig. I've just jumped out and they've had the hailstones here, and I don't know if you can see the size of that hailstone. That is pretty big. That's got to be half an inch across, and they are peppered all over the floor here. Look at these hailstones. That could have been scary. There's probably one there. There's one there that's there's some big hailstones. Look at this. Oh my god. Just hard to believe. I've just got out and the sun is just literally beating down on me, and it's just so hot. But there's all this, and it's just so fresh underneath with all this wood. But you can just smell there's like they must be hauling some timber out of these. But look at all these wood chippings. And I kid you not, it just smells. God, it just smells so fresh. See the surface here? It's just peppered in hailstones and wood chippings. Wow. And we are parked there. Look at that. Hopefully what we're going to do is have a little walk. We're going to have a little walk around in a minute and check it out. But we've saw hailstones this big today. Oh my god, what a drive. The drive up through the Dolomites today was just off the scale. Caroline was just absolutely doing her nut. But she's a lot happier now we've ended up in this place, because it's such a nice place. We pulled in here and sort of saw this American RV up here. It's an Italian one as it goes, but we're kind of like, this could be the USA. Oh my god, look at it. So we're just going to have a little wander in a minute. We're on a over the other side is a camping, the big caravan park, and we've stayed on this area before a long time ago. It's probably about 8 years ago. They got like a viewing platform up there now, so we're probably going to go up and check that out as well. And yeah, they've got a big this side is what they call the sort of Motorhome Air, the Soster. So we are actually in Italy at the moment. This is the Italian side. Yeah, I think you can maybe Dolomites in Austria. Well, we came down through sort of on the border, Austria, Italy. But yeah, this is the amazing camping park. So we're parked up there and we've got electricity. You've still got to pay here. It's not the cheapest place on the planet, but anyway, it's just stunning, absolutely stunning. You can't make it up, the beauty of this place. And the road that comes up here is outstanding as well. Right, we're going to go and have a quick wander around on.
you.